Welcome to Aditya classes. Today it is my first mathematics class. That is why I am going to start this class with the definition of mathematics. That what is mathematics? Mathematics actually, in a simple sense, mathematics is a collection of games among different numbers. Okay, so we can define mathematics in simple language that maths is the collection of games among different numbers. Okay, I mean to say, actually when we are doing a study in maths, generally we do some things with numbers. I mean we play some games among different numbers, or these games are most simplest game among the number which we play in mathematics is counting. Counting is the basic games which we play in mathematics. What is counting? Counting, all you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. This is your counting. This is your basic games or basic function. On the basis of this counting, we do addition, subtraction. For example, when we are talking about addition, what is addition? Addition is actually forward counting. Addition is nothing but forward counting. Forward counting. For example, if we add 3 to 5, what will we do? We count from 5, we count 3 times from 5, 1, 2, 3, then we get 8, that is your 8. So addition is forward counting. In the same way, when we are talking about subtraction, subtraction is backward counting. What is subtraction? Subtraction is backward counting. Backward counting. For example, if you have to subtract 3 from 12, what will we do? We come backward from 12, 1 time, 2 time and 3 time, then we get 9. That is why the answer is 9. Okay, counting. What is counting? Counting is forward numbering of. What is addition? Addition is forward counting and subtraction is backward counting. In the same way, when we are talking about multiplication, multiplication is repeating addition. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeating addition. Repeating addition. This is your multiplication. For example, if you have to multiply 5 and 3, you have to add 5 3 times. Yani you have to repeat 5 3 times and then add it. What will be the answer? 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is your 15. So repeating addition is called multiplication. In the same way, if you are talking about division, what is division? Division is repeating number of times of subtraction to get 0. What is this? Number of terms of subtraction to get 0. 0 we have to get 0. For example, if we have to divide 15 by 5 or 20 by 5, you have to change the number. If you have to divide 20 by 5, we subtract 5 from 20. 5 from 20. What we will get? We will get 15. But this is not 0. This is your first time. Second, 15 is subtracted from 5 is subtracted from 15. Then we get 10. This is your second time. After that, 10 from 10 we get 5. We subtract 5 from 10, we get 5. This is also not 0. At last, we subtract 5 from 5 and get 0. How many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to subtract 4 times 5 from 20 to get 0. That is why the answer of 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. I am only try to explain about the consequence of different games which we play in mathematics. Counting is the basic game, and addition is forward counting, subtraction is backward counting, multiplication is repeating addition, division is repeating subtraction. In this way, we can understand all the games sequentially. These games, the collection of these games is called maths. What is maths? Math is the collection of games among different numbers, and these games are counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In higher classes, we also do a study about the logical concept, but up to 10th level, this is sufficient definition that mathematics is the collection of games among the different numbers. In next class, we will do a study about the number, what is digit, and different type of number system. Thank you for watching this video.